Hai semua, kembali lagi bersama GeoGita. Kali ini aku bikin tutorial chord gampang lagunya Avenged Sevenfold yang berjudul Dear God. Pertama, aku geseknya seperti ini. Down, down, up, down, up, up, 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 down, up. Untuk chord, aku gunakan 6 chord di sini, yaitu C, G, A minor, E minor, F, dan D minor. Kita langsung aja ya ke lagunya. Another constant line, miles away from those alone, purpose undefined. While I recall all the words you spoke to me, can have a wish that I was there and where I love to be. Oh yeah. There's nothing here for me on this bed and road. There's no one here while the city sleep and all the sofa closed. Can't help but think of the time I had with you. Future and some memories you'll have to help me through. Oh yeah. Dear God, the only thing I ask of you is to hold when I'm not around, when I'm not so far away. You're only the person who can be true to you. I'll ever when I found her, and now I wish I stay, 'cause I'm lonely and I'm tired. I'm missing you again. Oh no, once again. So I'm sure never finding a way before long. The ways away, I found you. Something told me to say, yeah, I give in the selfish way, and now I wish someone to hold when hope began to fade. A lonely road cross another coastal line, miles away from those who love, purpose undefined. Dear God, the only thing I ask of you is to hold her when I'm not around, when I'm much too far away. kasih sudah menonton. Semoga bermanfaat. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Dadah.